on the top, let's go. Hello students, welcome to IoT classes. Today we will learn the concept sources of IoT. So here the learning objective is we will categorize the resources of IoT development. Now let's check the topics in this. Popular IoT development boards, role of RFID and IoT applications, and finally wireless sensor networks. These three topics we will learn today. Coming to the first one, popular IoT development boards. So this topic already completed in lecture 2, that means technology behind IoT. So refer that video, I will provide that in description box. Now coming to the second one, role of RFID and IoT applications. So coming to the RFID applications. So already explained in first topic. So once again see here, it enables tracking, inventory control, identification of supply chain systems, access to buildings and road tolls. Road tolls best example is FASTag. So already you know this FASTag concept. So at toll gate we are using this FASTag. Without paying the money, automatically the amount will be deducted. Now coming to the another network applications of RFID is factory design, 3PL management, brand protection, anti-counterfeiting is a new business process for payment, leasing, insurance and quality management. I will give one example for all these concepts. Here for payment, right? Suppose you are paying one amount like 1000 rupees to other person. So without giving the mobile number, account number, you can send the transfer, you can send the money to that device, right? So that is also applicable in Google Pay transactions, right? Nearby payment. So all those are executed by using this RFID technologies. Now coming to the last topic, wireless sensor networks. It's very important topic in while designing IoT, because in IoT we are using different sensors. So while connecting the sensors, definitely we need wireless sensors. Wired sensor is very difficult. Suppose you are fixing 100 sensors in your home. Is it possible to connect all those 100 sensors with a wire? It is very clumsy. That's why we need wireless sensor networks. So sensors can be networked using wireless technology, right? And cooperatively monitor physical and environmental conditions, right? So let's check one example. This is one sensor. This is another sensor. 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So this one is communicated, this one is communicated to here, here and here. So one sensor communicated with all other sensors. So suppose here we are using wire, another wire, another wire, another wire. 4 wires are using. So this one is communicated, communicated, communicated. Like that we can use different wired communications. It is very difficult. That's why wireless is most efficient. Wireless. So here we can monitor the physical environments, physical devices or environments conditions by using these sensors. Already we discussed different sensors. So what is the duty of sensor here? Sensor acquiring the data from the different locations and which may not be easily accessible, right? Each wireless sensor also has communication abilities. So already I told that each and every device must contain computing capability and communication capability. So these two are compulsory in IoT communication. That's why this sensor must has the communication ability for it uses the radio frequency transceiver. By using radio frequencies, we can communicate. Next, what is meant by wireless sensor network, right? So it is a network. Already we know that network means different devices will communicate, right? Connect wirelessly and has capabilities of computations, already explained now, and data compaction, data collection, aggregation is there, data analysis is there, and finally communication. So all these operations, so computation, compaction, aggregation, analysis, and communication, right? CCASC. And wireless sensor network node is autonomous. So each and every node is autonomous, right? So each and every node is independent. Already you know the meaning of autonomous. So that is a wireless sensor networks. So that is the topic of sources of IoT. That means the three topics are completed, right? So we will meet in the next lecture. Thank you.